Hey gals and pals, Kirsten from ClickBank here. I want you to check out 5 offers that made the most sales in the women's health niche on ClickBank last year and are currently crushing it on ClickBank this year too. Women's health is ranked number 7 on our list of top niches on ClickBank right now, which is actually perfect because you've got a big enough market to earn plenty of commissions, but you aren't having to struggle in an insanely competitive niche like weight loss. With women's health, you can specialize in great sub-niches like beauty, sexual health, or anti-aging. But before we begin, let's squash this right now. Okay, Michael's absence, I know you love him, isn't because he's a man, he's not being discriminated against, he's traveling. That man is a real girl's guy, okay? He's a girl dad with a gorgeous wife. Do you really think he got her with looks and dumb jokes? No, he loves and supports women. Okay, but I'm still more qualified than him anyway. So let's dive into the top 5 women's health offers. In spot number 5 on our list, we have Cellulite Gone, which does pretty much exactly what you would expect. Based under the Naked Beauty and Simulast brands, this product is a slow and gentle method to reverse the root cause of cellulite and boost connective tissue and muscles to help improve women's body tone, regardless of body type. If you are an affiliate who has success in the women's health space, don't sleep on this offer. Updated affiliate resources are in the works, and the product comes with both a video sales letter and long-form sales option. Head over to the marketplace to grab your link and go promote it today. Stats for Cellulite Gone are EPCs of 14 cents, APVs of $45.07, and a hop conversion rate of 0.33%. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the most beautiful of them all? Your audience. Why? Because Pure Lumen Essence is in spot number 4. This is an all-natural beauty supplement featuring a bespoke formula. It's designed to help erase unsightly dark spots on the skin that appear due to melanin leakage. This formula helps nourish skin and restore a youthful complexion. For affiliates, if you have an audience of women aged 35 plus with an interest in alternative skincare solutions and improving their appearance, Pure Lumen Essence should be the winner for you. Top geos for this offer are USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland. Of course, it converts across all of the biggest traffic sources: email, native, Google, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and even social platforms like Pinterest and Telegram. Want to see it for yourself? You need to apply for approval, so head to the ClickBank marketplace to check it out and get started. Stats for Pure Lumen Essence are EPCs of 71 cents, average payout values of $109.27, and a hop conversion rate of 0.71%. Don't overlook these beauty products. In the day and age of social media, we're online and we're showing our faces way more, even through Zoom calls. We want to look beautiful, we want to feel good about ourselves. This is certainly a niche that you should pay attention to and try. So, are you a dude? You feel a little intimidated by some of these offers? It's okay, ClickBank's got you. Ember is your girl. This is a new released AI tool that can help you create copy, creatives, video, whatever you need to get these out converting for you right away. You've got to check this out. It's in the description below. Okay, let's get back to the video. Our top number 3 women's health offer is Female Vitality Protocol. Dubbing itself ClickBank's sexiest offer, this digital product from diamond vendor Alex Miller helps boost women's sex lives with unique exercises to address sexual dysfunction. Specifically, women can use this at-home video program to strengthen their pelvic muscles and reignite their passion for intimacy. This offer is great news for affiliates. It comes with a massive 90% commission on the entire funnel. Because only a small pool of quality affiliates are promoting this one, it also isn't saturated on the market yet. With nearly $100 per sale, a conversion rate approaching 1%, and a low refund rate, Female Vitality Protocol is a fantastic product for your female audience. Check them out in the marketplace to learn more and apply to promote. The stats for Female Vitality Protocol are EPCs of 76 cents, average payout value of $91.61, and a hop conversion rate of 0.93%. Don't vanish yet, because we still have number 2 and number 1 to go, and number 2, vanish. This is a supplement that helps the body balance the fat-burning enzyme BHB. BHB is an enzyme that provides energy to the body when it doesn't have enough carbohydrates or sugar to burn, which causes the body to burn fat. Vanish supports people who are aiming to achieve keto results without the struggle of actually going keto. Vanish is a powder supplement easy to stir into a favorite drink every day. With upsell opportunities, trendy branding, clean and compelling copy, standout reviews, blog materials, and much more, this offer is full of potential for women of all ages. Take a look at their landing page and then head to the marketplace to grab your links today. Stats for Vanish are EPCs of 79 cents, average payout value of $131.48, and a hop conversion rate of 0.67%. Who runs the world? Girls. And also Alex Miller. She comes in with number one. This is Pelvic Floor Strong. It has been around for a very long time. It is evergreen. Pelvic Floor Strong is an at-home video program that teaches women ages 40 plus how to strengthen their pelvic floor and core. It's designed to help stop bladder leakage, tone the pelvic walls and belly, and make women feel more confident and sexy. Obviously, this is a great digital offer for anyone with an audience of older women. It also has some enticing benefits. If you apply to be an affiliate with them, you can enjoy up to 90% commissions on both the initial product and all upsells. And with one of the highest average payouts on this list, Pelvic Floor Strong is a digital product worth promoting. You can learn more about them on their tools page or grab your link from the marketplace to start promoting today. Stats for Pelvic Floor Strong. EPCs of 71 cents, average payout value of $78.26, and a hop conversion rate of 1.05%. These are crushing it. I hope you take a look and see what one might do for your female audience. Interested in other top niches on ClickBank? We'll include a link to our top affiliate marketing niches video for you to check out, and you can also find plenty of other top offer goodness right here on ClickBank's channel. Or click through to our Women's Health Offers blog post, linked in the description, for even more details on these great products. Most importantly, if any of these offers sound like they could be your next winner, why not head over to the ClickBank marketplace right now and grab your hop link. All right, that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching. Smash that like button. Cheers.